Welcome back. Now in this video, we are going to create follow-up emails. And to do that, we're going to start by clicking the Create Campaign button. We're then going to click Create an Email. And then we'll click Automate it. And then we can use one of the templates set up by Mailchimp. There's some for subscriber activity, for e-commerce, some that are date-based, and then some using the API. What we're going to do is we're going to create our emails from scratch, and we're going to click Custom. We're going to give our campaign a name, and then we're going to select a certain list, and then we're going to click Begin. Once we come to this page, we can then determine what the trigger is. And so we're going to click Edit Trigger. Now Mailchimp has several different kinds of triggers. And the most basic kind of triggers fall in the list management area. And when someone signs up to your list, that will be the first trigger. So we're going to click Sign Up. Now this email that we're about to create will wait 1 day after the person joins our list. We can also trigger this when subscribers are imported and then also send them an email 1 day after they are imported. So we're going to click Yes, and then we're going to click Update Trigger. What we're going to do now is we're going to design the email. Now once you've written in all of the email information, you'll then click Next. You'll then choose a template. In this case, we're going to click Simple Text. Again, Mailchimp gives us the freedom to design this email to look however we want it to look. However, if we're just looking to write a basic email, we're going to drag in the text block that we want. And then we're going to put in our content on the right-hand side. Once we've written, we'll click Save and Close. We'll then design the rest of the email. We can delete the boxes that we don't need. And once our email is ready, we can then click Save and Continue. And we have now written our first follow-up email, which will happen 1 day after individuals join our list. We can then write a second follow-up email. We'll then go through the design process. We'll then click Save. We'll then, once again, we'll structure our email. We'll then delete the boxes that we don't want. Once our email is the way we want, we'll click Save and Close. And then we'll click Save and Continue. And basically now we have another email that's set to come out once this email has been received. So this email will go out 24 hours after this one has gone out. And of course, the time will be determined individually by when someone joins the list. Now we can determine that these emails will go out on certain days. So for example, we can make sure that the email gets sent either every day or on certain days. We can determine when an email is sent. We can send at a specific period of time. We can only send between certain periods. We can do this however we want. And we can determine that these videos will go out under certain conditions. We can do that based on segmenting emails. We can also choose that something specific can happen with a subscriber using the Edit Actions feature, and we can determine that post-sending action in this area. And you can do that for each individual email in the campaign that is automated. So now you have learned the basics of creating an automated campaign. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.